Hello friends, when our e-commerce store is live and up, we start getting sales and orders. Over the period of time, our e-commerce websites collects a big data of customers and users and visitors and all that. So of course, the customer data is very important. Now, when we are using WordPress and WooCommerce for our online store website, we have endless possibility. Just by using simple plugins, additional enhancement plugins, we can do anything. So whatever you may need for your business and website, you can do with the WordPress. I simply can say this. In this video, we are going to discuss a option through which you can definitely help your marketing activities. So, what is most required for starting marketing, digital marketing for your business and services and for your products? Yes, it is data, the customer data, whom you can reach for further sales, for offering them certain uh, offers or product knowledge and all these things. So, we need data basically, and that is already collected at our WordPress website in form of orders and users. Mainly, if we are talking about the e-commerce online store, so we have customer database that is regularly being collected at our database. So the what is the discussion? What discussion I need to do? So how you can export the collected data in form of CSV or XLS format so that you may use that particular data set for marketing activity. Of course, you are taking consent from the existing users, from buyers, that you may use the data for marketing activities, and it is required because you are sending any mail or SMS or WhatsApp pings or whatever, right? So the main thing, how to export data, how to download all the data that has been collected in form of customers at our website. So WordPress by default does not offers any such features that can be directly used for downloading the data. But yes, using simple plugin, effective plugins, we can do wonders with the data that we have collected. So this is the discussion which plugin and that we can use and how we can export the data. So I am going to show you 4 plugin options. The first option is very expensive and there is a detailed video on this channel itself, and it is called WP Import Export. And surprisingly, it has got a very good number of sales and very good reviews from its existing users. In spite of being it is expensive, it is popularly being used for the complete import and export feature at WordPress website. So you can try a demo. I'm going to add the link in the video description, or and you can follow all the links. You can check all the details. So it has numerous facilities, features, and you can watch the specific video. As I said, the detailed video is available on this channel itself. So I am sure you are a regular visitor of this channel and you are watching the biggest YouTube channel for WordPress resource overviews, themes, plugins, and how-to guides are here. So if you have yet not subscribed, you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel and also don't miss to press the notification bell. Since this plugin is very advanced and you need this plugin only when you want to do multiple activities and use multiple file formats for your data, so it is recommended, of course. And as I said, I'm going to add link in the video description. But yes, I have other options as well. So second option is customer order coupon export for WooCommerce. So this is another good plugin that you can use for exporting the data, customer orders, the coupons, what is being used, what has been collected at your WooCommerce stores. The third plugin that I generally recommend that we are using at our iCreate program. So as we are discussing, iCreate program is most interactive platform for WordPress website that I believe that can actually help you through the live chats, through mentorship programs. You can ask questions here. You can create wonderful websites, performing websites with the help of mentors. Even you are an expert, you are welcome to join the iCreate program, and even you can ask questions related to WordPress websites. Yes. So yes, membership may be required, but yes, when you are buying the resources through the video description link, through the affiliate links, the program may be free for you. So just consider joining this program. And why I discussed, so at I create program we are using most of the helpful plugins, lightweight plugins, and well tested plugins along with the theme for delivering our projects. So we are delivering multiple projects every month, and helping hundreds of websites uh, throughout the globe, of course, coming from the globe. And yes, we are really happy to provide such services. Okay. So the third option is the WP All Import, and it is a very established plugin in this sector for exporting the data to CSV, XML, or Excel format. So you can watch the specific video. Again, all the links have been given in the video description. The another plugin that I recommend personally, yes, Web Toffee. So this is a very established brand in the market of WordPress plugins, and you can check all the plugins being developed by or being provided by the WordPress Toffee, Web Toffee, sorry, and they actually make wonderful things for WordPress, and you can use this plugin for a hassle-free data migration. So this is all-in-one WooCommerce export, import and export suite, and it has numerous features that you can check here on the website, official website. So which you should use? It totally depends on your requirement, how you want to use the data, and what is your actual requirement. My objective is to show you the most important and helpful plugin that is already well tested. Now, let us discuss a very simple plugin, just in case if you are willing to have the data for marketing purpose, you should use a very simple and lightweight plugin. So, why this WooCommerce.com plugin is recommended from our side at the first instance for basic data activities. First of all, it is directly integrated to WooCommerce. It means it will work with the WooCommerce core, and it will create only one table in database. So it is going to be super lightweight, and it is not going to make your WordPress database heavy. So it is very important consideration when you are selecting any plugin. So when you are selecting any WooCommerce plugin, try to find the plugin at WooCommerce.com itself, because in form of extension of WooCommerce, you can get most reliable and helpful plugin that you may never get as add-on plugins. So this is very important to search the required plugins at WooCommerce.com repository itself. And again, I'm going to add the link of this plugin in the video description itself. So this is a plugin for easily exporting the orders, customers, and coupons from the WooCommerce. While WooCommerce gives you reporting and order fulfillment tools, many merchants still need to use external system for customer management, order fulfillment, or simply need an easy way to get a data out of WooCommerce. So this is the purpose, and I'm going to show how this particular plugin works with the WooCommerce, and it is super easy. So the first recommendation is go with this plugin, and if you need some advanced activities, I have shown you all the 4 options that we are using at our projects. So let us concentrate, let us focus on this plugin. So I'm going to install this plugin on a WooCommerce website. Let us close all the rest plugins, and yes, I'll add the link in the video description. So I am going to install this customer order coupon export for WooCommerce plugin at store. So this is a e-commerce website using the most popular WordPress theme, Porto, and I'm going to log in this backend. And okay, so we can simply log in through the Softaculous. So it is very simple. And this is a website, another website for uh, kids products, kids plays, and Yes. So you can watch all a specific video on this channel itself. There are hundreds of videos on the themes, on the plugins, and I'm sure you are watching all those. Right? So I'm here on the back end of this live website and I'm going to add the plugin and I'll show you the simple interface and how the plugin works actually. Okay, so I'm going to add the plugin. I have already got the plugin pack and that you can buy at wordpress.com. The cost is $79 per a year. Yes, bit costly, but yes, it works like a wonder. So you can go for this. Right, so I'm going to upload the plugin and it is very simple installation process, of course. Select the plugin pack, click on install now, and it goes without saying that the process of installing a plugin or even theme is super simple with the WordPress website. You can do all these things at your own. You don't need any developer support. You don't need any technical knowledge for doing all these things. So it is very simple, and this is why WordPress is most used CMS platform for website and business website, and even the backend of WordPress is being used for CRM activities like things. Right, the plugin is installed and now I am activating the plugin and we can directly jump into the settings from here, or the plugin is already here. uh, and we can go for configuration. First of all, it is again very simple. You actually don't need any configuration, it is all set. Okay, so this is the basic setting screen. So we have four options in fact. Like in the manual export, just in case if you are using the plugin very first time and you are willing to export the data, we can choose the required things. And okay, so the export type is orders or customers or coupon, whatever you want. The format can be CSV or XML. The default format is predefined or default format is here. The file name, you can decide what you want to keep the file name. And yes, so file name for exported coupons. So merge variables. Okay, so keep it as it is. The batch processing is for the using the batch processing, and you can enable this setting when notified that your site does not support the background processing. Just in case if you need the batch processing, it is here. And even you can use the product export options like product categories if you are willing to have data for product category, if you are exporting the product data or customers. So you can choose the selected category or the products event. So you can write and type the first three letters of product and you can get the data for that particular specific product. So simple and very interactive. So this is the basic setting. And if you want to set the automated exports, so this is the screen and you can add new automated exports, and depending upon the parameter what you are willing to set. So you can set with a name, and again you can choose things that you want in automated format like file name, format, scheduled options, and on scheduled intervals or immediately as order are paid. So every new order details can be exported in certain formats as you know, as you wish. So you can set the start time and you can set the export interval in minutes, or the method is locally FTP or email query is here. So local exports are generated and saved in export list. So there is a export list when you run a export, so it will be shown in the export list here. Okay, so main thing I skipped. Okay, so further we have export options like order statuses. Like you can select what export you want, what the data you want, like completed orders, the cancelled orders, or the refunded orders. So it is very helpful because you further don't need to filter the data, and it can be filtered directly before the export, and you will get the required data only. The product categories are here, the products itself here, and add notes here. So okay. Uh, the next is the export list. So whenever you will run a export or in automated export even, so all the data will be collected here and the data will remain active here for 14 days and you can download the data by clicking an option. So since I don't have any customer on the demos installation, so I'm not able to show you actually. Okay, so I believe I should show you on a live j- website where the data is there. So let us complete this discussion first. So the custom formats are also here in case if you want to set. Okay, so you can set custom formats like orders, customers, formats. If you want to set, it will be set here. Okay, so the main thing is that it is available with the WooCommerce interface and the activities can be done directly at WooCommerce orders and interface as well. All right, so let us run a report. Let us run a export. And I have just installed the plugin on a live website which has some data. And I believe it will be more helpful to understand the feature and functionalities. Right, so I'm not selecting any parameters and I'm simply going for downloading orders data in CSV format. Yes, okay. By default, all is selected. So I'm simply clicking on export just to show you. So it is running, your data is being exported. When the export complete, okay, so it is being downloaded. It is automated and even we are exporting manually, it has been downloaded automatically and simply done. And further in the export list, we have the same data to download and it will remain here until 14 days. So exported file orders and yes, ready download. And please note that it may take few items to, okay, that is fine. All good. And we can further download and delete the exported data. And okay. Also on the orders page we have, so this is a page, I cannot show you the all the details because it will reveal the order person details. Okay, so on the order page we have additional field like order exported by automated exports that are checked will not contain this order in future exports. So all automated order exports. So we have fields like we can customize that particular orders should be exported or customer should be exported in the automated export or not. So it is all configured internally at the WooCommerce system itself. So core WooCommerce integration is here. It is not working separately or creating multiple tables in your database as I said. So I believe this is the easiest plugin that you can use for the WordPress WooCommerce data export, and this is super lightweight, so it is recommended at first instance for handling the data at your WooCommerce store. And just in case if you need advanced functionalities, so I have already shown you all the options. 4 options is enough. And if you need a detailed video on other plugins that I shown you, just write in the comment section. I'll definitely create a long and described video how you can use those plugin as well. One is already there on the channel, so I'll try to add the link of that particular plugin. Okay, so you can get support from the plugin developer through this link, so you can follow the documents link here if you wish to do certain things. And of course, we are here to answer your queries on the live chat. So it is the best option that you can ask here. And the comment section is always active on the videos. So you can write in the comments as well. So let us meet in the next video. I'm coming with all great solutions for your WordPress website to make a successful digital world for your business and services. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.